All right, so now it's about 10 to 10. We're supposed to get off at like 10:30. We just pulled into port. I booked a civilian tour company. I'll put the link down below. Actually, I'll put it on the video too, but I'm doing a monkey, sloth, and macaw park city tour to go shopping, rum cake factory, and chocolate factory. So if you did the same tour through Carnival, it was like $110 a person, but there are guarantees going through Carnival. They'll have you back on the ship on time, etc., etc. So with the civilian company, which they seem pretty reputable because a lot of people in the Mardi Gras group was posting about it. I looked them up. There's a few of them, but the one I went with, it was $55 for the tour. The sloths, monkeys, macaws, city, Roatan, letters, chocolate and rum cake factory. So it was about half price. I have to walk out of the little area and meet them. It says about 3 to 5 minute walk away from the pier. So we'll see. I'm gonna take you guys along for the day, and so show you guys it to see maybe if you guys are interested. If you guys are coming here, maybe it's an option if you guys are looking at. So basically the tour sent me we'll say a Google Maps picture, one PowerPoint slide saying meet here. Is it the monkey, the city tour?
City tour is
the monkeys.
With this company?
Yes, Sandra's tour.
Okay, your name is Charles?
Mike.
Mike? Hey, somebody.
Hey, get in Mike.
All right, so I found my guy. Our tour guide is Chris, and basically, as you walk out of Mahogany Bay, walk down a hill, there's like a whole row of tour companies, and they're holding up signs. Some have names, some just have the company. Walked up and I asked, if he was my tour guide, and gave him my name, and then my actual tour guide came up and popped up and was like, "Oh, it's me." And we went to get his car, and now we're getting ready to go on our tour. It's kind of nice, one-on-one.
Family who live here, their last name is Juan Manuel Galvez. So the first people who come here, they call us Spanish people, and they come for the first time to this place, and that is the reason why this place is called Spanish Town.
Did you want a zip line?
Did you?
I've done it once. I didn't like it.
The only thing I need of you guys is watch your steps all the time, okay? There's wild and some person can be slippery or there.
I don't know, he's just on the board.
Oh, look at him. Like he came up.
Okay, next one on the family.
A magnet for bag. We have bracelet, necklace.
Alright, so as I told you, here on the park we have like 20 monkeys. We have Bluey, Billy, and Bumblebee.
Axel, ¿cómo se dice poder en inglés? Power.
They are famous. Some people don't have them at home because they are very noisy. But we have a noisier bird.
So the monkeys in the cage are the bad ones, and then the ones that are just running around. He said they have 20 monkeys just running around the park.
Famous because they are very noisy, and we use their name for when someone is close to them. We say that person is like Chachalaca. Her name is Shanti. She's like be a tree, okay?
Okay.
The trees never talk.
I'm gonna have her friends.
Cuidado. Be careful with the monkeys, okay? Sometimes they throw beers on you. Do you know what kind of monkeys are those? No. No? Benji? Those monkeys are very famous. To bother them, because they're in cage like this.
These are the spider monkeys. Watch your step.
I know those songs. In Spanish. Yo no sé Jaguera, me pusieron loca.
Well, what do I do?
Decía así a su cuero y yo estaba...
Le ayudo. No, está bien.
Vaya. This is Priscilla. It's a three-toed. In Honduras we have two species. Three-toed and two-toed.
It actually moves faster than I thought
Yes.
Tienen el mismo color de pelo, mira. Igualito.
Sí. Hi, baby.
Es igualito.
Israel.
He's camera shy. He keeps looking away.
For example, for New Year, the fireworks, the noise that they did, they make them sound. They were on the top of the trees. So normally the first week of the year, people didn't. In the world, that's very famous because it's one of the species that make the most expensive coffee. Oh, really? Have you heard about it? About the coffee?
He's asleep.
Well, people are. Oh yeah, the monkeys will join.
We had one in our apartment for a couple weeks.
So I just finished the Mayan Eden zoo or park, whatever you want to call it, with the monkeys, sloths, toucans, and macaws. I think it took about 45 minutes. I didn't really time it, but it's a short walk. You walk down the hill though. There is I'd say semi-steep hill. So if you're on a wheelchair, a walk or something like that, it might be a little difficult because it's pavement till about halfway through, which is probably about 200 meters in. And then you go into the forest over roots and stuff. So next I'm going on to my next one, my next adventure. So thanks for watching this one.
They like the ones with
Yeah, that's what he was talking about.
So this is the highest point on the island. And this is I don't remember what bay it is. It's not Mahogany Bay, but this is where the rest of the ship's port.
My purse is my friend.
You want one?
I don't know. I think I might buy one for her.
So our tour guide said this is the cheapest place to buy souvenirs if you're going to.
La iguana. This is a collection. Say different sloths, turtles, monkey. They're different. The dicho glasses. This is the handmade, the good.
Oh, wooden glasses.
Yeah.
That's cool.
This is ocarina. The Mayan flute. This is the bird.
And the benefits of the dark chocolate. This is the cacao fruit. It's already dry. I'll pass it so you can see it. You can find 45 to 50 cocoa beans. So the cocoa bean is 100% cacao. This is the benefits of the dark chocolate. Reduces stress, healthy bones, prevent diabetes, it's good for your memory. It has antioxidants, it reduces cholesterol, and it's good for your heart.
It reduces cholesterol?
Dark chocolate.
Oh, okay. All right, so that was a quick tour. It was like a minute. She talked about dark chocolate. We got to touch the cocoa beads, or the cocoa beans, and now we get to sample some chocolate. Now I get to sample some chocolate. Oh, is this it?
You want some chocolate samples?
Alright, we're gonna start with a dark chocolate. This is 85%.
So they basically make big batches of milk chocolate back there, and then to get like the cocoa, the cookies and cream, they'll mix it after they make it. Walnut banana sounds good. Got some chocolate soap. Got some cigars. All right, so here we are at the Roatan Rum Company. Getting ready to go in and sample some rum cakes and some rum, I guess. I don't know. This is the rum factory on the tour. What's all the different flavors? Is that mine? Just try the banana bread, it's really good. Ooh. Here is the vanilla and buttery rum.
Hi guys, welcome to the Rum Company. You guys can try your rum cakes here. Sorry? It has molasses, sugar cane, charcoal, and thank you. Go ahead.
We want to try them all.
Okay. So I'll start from the coconut down. These are 50 proof. These are 70 proof.
Which one's the best?
The caramel for the last, just because it's creamy, so it helps when you're finished with it.
Which one's the favorite? Which one's the best?
Chocolate.
Chocolate?
I can see the chocolate. I can see the chocolate. Remember the rum that we...
We have the spice, which is compared to a Captain Morgan or a schooner version of a Fireball.
Okay.
It has vanilla, cinnamon, allspice, clove, nutmeg. Those are 6 flavor rum cakes you have? Yes,
It tastes like cough syrup.
It's better than Captain Morgan's.
And some said it mango tastes like cough syrup.
That tastes like I'm going to go take some cough syrup.
Thank you. So I think the coconut rum was by far the best. Delicious.
Squat him down. I got it down. Because we're old and fat. That actually makes sense. I think you're fine now.
This is the view outside the back of the rum factory. Like the you know what I'm talking about? Like the
Hollywood sign.
Here is the final stop, the famous Roatan signs or letters. Okay, so it is now 2:09. I met up with the tour guide at about 10:30 because as soon as I got off, you walk out, you meet them, and then we start. So 10:30 to 2:09, so roughly 4 hours. It was $55 a person, not bad. We got to see the sloths and monkeys and macaws, toucans, and then we went to up to the highest point. There was like a little, we'll say flea market, for lack of better words, all the little different shops. Got to do a picture there. Then we went to the chocolate factory, sampled some chocolate, and then we ended up at the rum factory, sampled rum and rum cakes, and then we ended up, you go to the famous Roatan letters, got our picture taken, and then we came back to the port. So we did not choose the beach option. I think the beach tour was like $5 more a person, but it wasn't bad. Our tour guide Chris, he was new, but he was good. As you're driving through the city, he talks about each neighborhood, each district, and kind of shows you a tour of the city. So overall, it was a fun tour. I would definitely recommend it. To be honest, it's cheaper than going directly through Carnival. I was a little worried because you leave the actual Mahogany Bay, which I learned is only for Carnival ships, which is pretty cool. Because if you look, there's a whole nother port that has all the rest of them. It has Norwegian, it has Royal Caribbean, and all that. And they're in dock, but Mahogany Bay, they pull like right up to the port, and they have all the shopping and stuff. So I thought that was pretty interesting. But yeah, so you leave Mahogany Bay, you walk about 5 minutes out the gate, and then they're just lined up on the side, and they'll hold up a sign. You say, hey, this is my name or whatever, or they'll have a sign with your name on it, and then you get in there. And it's a private tour, so it was like one-on-one. It was nice. I would recommend it, and it's Roatan Tours, I believe is what it's called. Something like that. I will put the link down below, and I'll also I'll put it across the video right here so you can see it. But definitely worth it. Lewis is the owner, and had a good time.